Hello friends, welcome to the Alpine.js training course. In this course we want to talk about the powerful Alpine.js library and explore this library. As you know, JavaScript has many powerful libraries and frameworks, and millions of users around the world work with one of these libraries. Vue, React, and Angular are three powerful JavaScript libraries and frameworks that every one of them has its own fans. Recently, a lightweighted but functional framework called the Alpine.js framework has been released, which provides React and Vue features but with a smaller and easier coding. What is the Alpine.js? As you know, Livewire is a full-stack framework of Laravel that one of its main disadvantages is creating a lot of server-side requests. To solve this problem, Alpine.js was released in 2019 and its main slogan was to get rid of jQuery. Alpine.js was created exclusively for Livewire, which is a full-stack framework of Laravel. But it works like Vue, React, and Angular, which helps developers create advanced user interfaces on the web. And this makes applications make the web easier and better. In Make Edition, you can use Alpine.js in other projects, and there is no obligation to use only Laravel projects. As you know, a web is made up of many HTML tags in the form of a tree, which is called UI or user interface. In JavaScript, we know it as DOM or Document Object Model, and it is necessary for us to make changes in DOM in many projects. Changes such as showing or hiding elements, changing attributes or content of elements. We can apply these changes in JavaScript and jQuery, but the codes we have are much more, and it is more difficult to apply these changes. But Alpine.js has come and made it much easier for us to manipulate the DOM, and we don't need complicated JavaScript and jQuery codes anymore. With Alpine.js, we can show or hide elements, we can bind values, we can define events, and many other things that we will discuss in this course.